There's a story they tell in the south of France about a man they call Tractor Ken. Ken lived the simple life of a peasant out in the Provence countryside in a place called La Platrière, miles and miles from the big city, with his peasant wife and his peasant dog and even a peasant cat, and of course with his beloved tractor, Massey. There was nothing Tractor Ken liked to do more than to ride his tractor. He'd get up early in the morning. The day is but a blink, he would say. He'd hop on old Massey, and then they were out to the fields. Ken and Massey would spend long hours together riding around La Platte, tilling the soil, hauling wood, doing the kinds of things that peasants and their tractors do. But one day, after months and months of tractoring, Ken and Massey realized that they had done just about all they could do. There was something missing. That's when the Giro Boyeur appeared, out of peasant wife's pocketbook, like a dancing girl out of a cake. She was a beauty, red and shiny, loud and clangy, just the thing that Ken and Massey needed. You should have seen the two of them when Ken got that Giro Boyeur hooked up to old Massey. Massey purred and growled and chugged on with her new apparatus, and Ken had that look in his eye, the one that says, "Game on." People came from miles around to watch Ken and Massey mow. Some would stand back and admire from afar. Others would get so excited that they'd want to pitch in and help. The joy was back in La Platte, and Ken was a new man. He would mow the top fields, the bottom fields, and all the fields in between. Sometimes he'd go straight, other times he'd go left, or even right. Sometimes he'd go all the way down one side, then turn around and come right back down the other. Some said that Ken might mow all the way back to Scotland if he weren't careful. So if you notice there's a new road in front of your house, or if you see these tracks in your town, you'll know that Tractor Ken's been your way. That's the tale of Tractor Ken. Now, if you do happen to pass by La Platte, and for some reason Tractor Ken's not out in the fields, well, you can be sure there's rugby on the telly.
You need it, give me the feel of buzz. I'm in the habit of sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you ain't into getting rough. You can pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep,